Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 BMW X5. This all-wheel drive vehicle has 57,363 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 3-liter dual overhead twin power turbo engine, tinted windows all around your vehicle, and 19-inch alloy wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our tan leather seating all the way through. We do have a moonroof, your standard BMW radio, push to talk, heated seating on both sides, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.